Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Geography Lesson 2 Landforms. The earth has an infinite variety of landforms, namely mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. Landforms are result of two processes, that is endogenic process and exogenic process. Endogenic process means internal process leads to the upliftment and sinking of a earth's surface at several places. Exogenic process means it is a continuous wearing down and rebuilding of land surface. The landscape is being continuously worn away by two processes, weathering and erosion. Weathering means it is a breaking and falling apart into small pieces of rocks on the earth's surface. Erosion is a wearing of the landscape by different agents like water, wind, ice and sea waves. The process of erosion and deposition create different landforms on the surface of the earth. The landforms are created by river, glacial action and by the wind action. The water flowing from its source of river mouth along a definite course is called a river. Rivers generally originate from the mountain or hill. The place of origin of river is known as its source. The place where it joins a lake or a sea or ocean is known as a river mouth. The running water in a river erodes the landscape, which creates a steep-sided valley known as V-shaped valley. Waterfalls means falling of river water over a vertical strip in the river bed is known as waterfall. As a river enters the plain, it twists and turns, forming a large bends known as mendas. Due to continuous erosion and deposition along the side of Mendar, the end of Mendar loop come closer and closer. In due course, the Mendar loops cut off from the river and forms a cut-off lake called as Oxbow Lake. Glacier means a large body of ice moving slowly down a slope or valley due to gravity is known as glacier. Glacier divided into two. They are continental glacier and mountain glacier. Continental glacier means the glacier covering a vast area of continent with thick ice sheet is called as a continental glacier. Example, Antarctica. Mountain glacier is a stream of ice flowing along a valley. It usually flows former river course and are bounded by steep sides. Example, Himalayas. Cirque is a glacially eroded rock basin with a steep side wall and steep head wall surrounding an armchair-shaped depression. When two adjacent cirques eroded towards each other, the previously rounded landscape is transformed into a narrow, rocky, steep-sided ridge called artes. An active agent of erosion and deposition in the desert is known as wind. In desert, you can see rock in a shape of mushroom, commonly known as mushroom rocks. Winds eroded the lower section of rock more than upper part. Therefore, such rocks have a narrower base and wider top. When the wind blows, it lifts and transports sand from one place to another. When it stops blowing, the sand falls and gets deposited in lower hill-like structures. These are called sand dunes. The crescent-shaped sand dunes are called barchans. A part of land adjoining or nearer the sea is called a sea coast. The boundary of a coast where land meets water is called as coastline. Sea cliff or a steep rock faces form when the sea waves dash against them. Sea waves continuously strike at the rocks. The cracks develop. Over time, they become larger and wider. Thus, hollow-like caves are formed on the rocks. They are called as sea caves. As the cavities of sea caves became bigger, only the roof of the caves remains, thus forming sea arch. Further, erosion breaks the roof and only walls are left. These wall-like features are called as stacks. The sea waves deposits sediment of sand and gravel along the shores, forming beaches. Sandbar is an elongated deposition of sand or mud found in the sea. Lagoon is a shallow stretch of water, partially or completely separated from the sea. Example, Silica Lake in Odisha, Pulicat Lake in Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh, Vembad Lake in Kerala are the famous lagoons in India. Thank you, children.